So here's the blank with the entire deck milled out. I've taken my shop vac, removed all the foam dust, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my electric planer and remove these ridges, not all the way, just close, and then I'm going to use my sanding screen to remove the ridges until all of the pixelation lines disappear. I'm going to do this now because when I mill the bottom of the board, I need to have a flat surface on the top for the vacuum gaskets to seal to hold the blank down onto the stands. Yeah, so with my electric planer, I take the foam ridges down pretty close to the valleys, but not touching the valleys. And then I'm removing more of the ridges with a Stanley Sureform. And this blade from Microplane number 30004 seems to be one of the best for cutting EPS. We can come up almost because we're okay. Let's come up now. I think it's fine. It's cutting faster, huh? Let's hold that. Okay. Walk over here to the other side. Just look up. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, so I took my computer file for the template of the board to my local Kinko's, and I printed it out using their roll printer to full scale. This is 10 or 15 bucks. I then cut it out along the profile line along the rails, and I lay it on the bottom of the board, trace it out with a marker pen, and then I rough cut it with a handsaw well outside the marked line. And then I use my electric planer to bring the edge of the foam to the line that I traced out. Another option to remove the ridges left after CNC milling is to use a small hot wire cutter that you can run in the grooves left by the CNC mill to remove most of the ridge.